Welcome to the Xcode Life at Home DNA Test Kit Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are available in the description below. Xcode Life offers a comprehensive at-home DNA test kit designed to provide personalized insights into your health, fitness, and nutrition based on your genetic profile. This test is ideal for anyone looking to understand how their genes influence their physical health, exercise potential, and dietary needs. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, someone looking to optimize your diet, or just curious about your genetic predispositions, Xcode Life provides in-depth reports to guide your health journey. The process is simple and user-friendly. You start by collecting a saliva sample using the provided kit, then send it back to Xcode Life's lab for analysis. After a few weeks, you can access your results through their online platform, which is both easy to navigate and informative. The results are broken down into several key areas, such as fitness, nutrition, wellness, and even genetic risks for certain diseases. One of the standout features of Xcode Life is its focus on actionable insights. Instead of just presenting raw data, the reports provide recommendations on how to improve your lifestyle based on your genetic makeup. This includes personalized diet plans, exercise routines, and tips for preventing potential health risks based on your genetic predispositions. Whether you're looking to enhance athletic performance, manage your weight more effectively, or improve your overall well-being, Xcode Life delivers tailored advice to help you succeed. The service is especially beneficial for those who want to make informed decisions about their health without relying on guesswork. Xcode Life's tests give you clear data that you can use to customize your lifestyle, potentially preventing health issues and optimizing performance. In conclusion, Xcode Life is a valuable tool for anyone looking to take charge of their health with a science-backed, personalized approach. Check out the link in the description to get started with Xcode Life today.